Hi, I'm Jari, one of the pharmacists at Town & Country Compounding. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Topi-Click Perl device. This is a device that you would receive if you had a vaginal prescription that you were being administered. On your prescription label will indicate how many clicks you're supposed to use each time you are to use the cream. Each one of your prescriptions comes with an applicator as well. The first time you're going to use the cream, you're going to open it up and make sure that the cream is even to the hole at the center. You're then going to apply the applicator. It should snap right on top, and then turn the number of clicks that your prescription indicates. Most women use 4 clicks. Once you've turned 4 clicks, you can then remove the applicator, close the top of the device, and then you can insert the applicator vaginally. Once it's inserted, you press the plunger and the cream will be inserted into your vaginal area.